Kubor berjuang systematic. Kelalong kesini saat jingkan mau baya ke first inter Catholic schools athletic meet lalaban pelong haka arpon driu bat arpon yau leber arjar arpon driu Hamadan jongkesin Dominic High Secondary School Mawkyndeng kiladon hadu ndru tediki school ke bayishim bentah kiba kentup ya ke auxilium secondary school Sapai Sacred Heart High Secondary School Sapai Little Flower Secondary School Sasnyang St. Peter's High Secondary School Barato St. Francis Secondary School Mawkyndeng bat ke St. Dominic Higher Secondary School Mawkyndeng Usar Paul Sena Executive Engineer PHE East Khasi Hills Ulalong Kongsan hagani ke sengi ke sedang jong ke jingi lekai sports bat usar Ruskil Chalam SDO PHE Electrical Division Juwai Ulalong kum usembot Kongsan Hagani ke first inter Catholic schools athletic meet keladon ke jingi kop hagi benta beper nudu ke march pass bat ke track and field events kum ke sis pak meter as pak meter south pak meter plus pak meter race ke 4 into 400 meter relay race berkibai-kibai day
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to feel the energy and excitement as our marching contingents are preparing themselves with the march past competition. We have the first salute by the commander, the general commander for all the schools, Mr. Wanton Hoy Sinchai, and bearing the flag, Miss Devi Deroy Sadap. And the first contingent is leading by the St. Francis Secondary School, Mawkyndeng, with the motto Virtue and Knowledge. Led by the captains, the contingent display excellent coordination and confidence. Their steady rhythm and upright posture reflect their dedication and training. Let us encourage them with a big round of applause. The next contingent we have St. Dominic Higher Secondary School, Mawkyndeng, with the motto Virtue and Wisdom. Which is followed by Auxilium Secondary School, Sapai. Marching with enthusiasm and determination, these teams showcase remarkable unity. A big cheer to Auxilium Secondary School, Sapai. Next school reaching the dais is Sacred Heart Secondary School, Sapai, with the motto Knowledge is Power. The next contingent we have St. Dominic RCLP School, Mawkyndeng, and then with the motto Virtue and Wisdom. Let us give them a big round of applause for their confident strike and perfect alignment, highlight their preparation and dedication. The last but not the least, we have St. Peter's Secondary School, Barato. With energy and enthusiasm, they present a lively and well-coordinated march. Their spirit and teamwork are clearly visible in every step.
In the name of all competitors, I solemnly promise that I will take part in the first inter-school Catholic schools sports meet. With a true sportsman spirit. Abiding by the rules and regulations of sports. For the smooth functioning of the meet. And the glory of sports.
Check it. You're the best part of my day. you. Ooh.
You light up the sky like a billion lights. When I'm by your side, I'm in paradise. You're the breath in my bones, you're the fire in my soul. Oh, what a beautiful life. With you, what a beautiful. La 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 la. What a beautiful la la life. La 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 la. What a beautiful la 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 la. What a beautiful la 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 la.
I see the sun shining over us like diamond eyes, shining over us, oh so bright. A world of color breaking through, a world for me and you, yeah.
You light up the sky like a billion lights. When I'm by your side, I'm in paradise. You're the breath in my bones, you're the fire in my soul.
Oh, what a beautiful life. That's all we are. The sun comes up and it goes back down. We search for love and it's love we found. We live our life now, we come this far. We won't stop now, this is all we are. We set out on the open road to the fields of gold. Side by side when it hurts the most, and it feel like letting go. We get knocked down, we'll rise again. We won't give up, we won't forget. It's who we are, forever young. Light up the dark, break down these walls. That's all we are. The sun comes up and it goes back down. We search for love and it's love we found. We live our life now, we come this far. We won't stop now, this is all we are. That's all we are. The sun comes up and it goes back down. We search for love and it's love we found. We live our life now, we come this far. We won't stop now, this is all we are.
Health is the first wealth. A sick person lying in a bed in hospital or at home will always know that not money, not diamond, not gold is first wealth. Health is first wealth. When wealth is lost, something is lost. But when health is lost, everything is lost. Sports promote and foster discipline, friendship, competitive spirit, and good health. That is why sport is a vital component of the curriculum of modern education. And physical education has become a vital subject in higher study in CBSE course, and one can pursue physical education as a means of livelihood by going for further studies.